Okay, so you are looking at my phone sitting on a desk. Why is that, you might be asking? Well, the reason why is because it is about 10 to 6 p.m. and tonight is when the 4-week lockdown in New Zealand in response to the COVID-19 situation will officially kick in. And as part of that, between 6 and 7 p.m. tonight, they're going to be sending out information via the mobile emergency alert system. Basically, it's a system that was set up a few years ago to send out emergency alerts from civil defence or whoever to any mobile phone that is capable of receiving these messages. And all of the phones that we have in this house, or all of our main phones, are capable. I've got an Oppo AX7 which is capable, and my mum also has an Oppo AX7, and my dad's phone, which I think is a Samsung of some kind, is also capable of receiving it. Now, so far, the only times that I've ever received an emergency alert is for a system test. I have never ever received an emergency alert from an actual emergency, and this is also the first time that I've been able to film it. So I've got the camera on the tripod, I've got a fully charged battery, so it should be enough to film for the entire hour between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. I'm assuming that the alert will come out hopefully closer to 6 than to 7, so that we don't have to wait too long. But either way, I'm going to record this, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Here we go. 6:30, there it is. Emergency alert received 25th of March, 6:30 p.m. National Emergency Management Emergency Alert from 11:59 p.m. tonight. The whole of New Zealand moves to COVID-19 alert level 4. This message is for all of New Zealand. We are depending on you. Follow the rules and stay at home. Act as if you have COVID-19. This will save lives. Remember, where you stay tonight is where you must stay from now on. You must only be in physical contact with those you are living with. It is likely level 4 measures will be in place for a number of weeks. Let's all do our bit to unite against COVID-19. Kia kaha. Issue 25th of March 2020, 6:30 p.m. Okay. There you have it. Then I can lock my phone again. We can turn this around now to look at me. Still zoomed in. Well, there you are then. The first time that I've successfully recorded one of these emergency alerts, and also the first time that I've received one that is an actual emergency alert and not just a test. So I've pressed OK now, and it's gone back to the home screen. But okay, I don't know how it comes in, because it's not in your text messages or anything, so it's not a text message. It's literally just an alert, and once you press OK, it disappears, which I guess is kind of a flaw, because it means that if you accidentally hit the OK button before you finish reading it, then it just goes away and then you can't finish reading it. Because, but anyhow. But yeah, I think my phone and Mum's phone received it at the same time. My dad's phone was about 10 seconds behind. So yeah, but 6:30. So there was about half an hour So that's literally halfway between 6 and 7. So I mean, they said the alert was going to come between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. and they've got it smack bang in the middle, which is fantastic. But yes, in these times of lockdown, when there is very little, when we are having to keep ourselves entertained, being able to make this video is just one form of entertainment. So that's a success, and I'm very, very pleased with being able to successfully record that. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.